Hello guys, today I will be doing the product review of Advwin high pressure washer. If you have a heavy cleaning task, this is the product you are looking for. It has a high pressure hose which helps in flexibility and easy access to narrow spaces. I use this to clean my cars, gardens, walls, side walkways, driveways, vehicles and motorcycles. Package contains one high pressure washer, spray gun holder, adjustable spray line, hose, inlet connector, brush and 5 nozzles. This machine weighs around 9.5 kilograms, maximum flow rate is 7.5 liter per minute with maximum pressure of 270 bar. Electric cleaning machine is the ultimate tool as it has inbuilt 2500 watt powerful motor and its maximum cleaning capacity of 4000 psi and a maximum temperature of 40 degrees Celsius. It comes with a product manual, so it's easy to assemble together. You will be amazed by its signature design. Have a look at this high pressure hose. It is 10 meters long with a power cord of 5 meters. I stored this by gentle coiling. As you could see, its wind tunnel is in upright position, which speed up this machine cooling for an extended life. The durable metal connector, which makes the connection easier too. And don't worry about the cleaning of this product, as its flexibility makes it easy to move and clean. If you pay keen attention to the way it moves, large wheel makes it easier to move. Great, it can use in multiple angles. Another striking features of this machine is 5 adjustable interchanging nozzles. This is extremely helpful for you to do different level of cleaning tasks and improve work efficiency. The other feature is its protection level and certification, anti-leakage protection and explosion-proof quality. You could imagine how this machine protects your safety while doing remarkable works. The original price of this machine is 258 Australian dollars. I would highly recommend this product for those who are looking for an ultimate cleaning hack.